What's going on? My name's Aaron, and today I'm bringing you an Ikoria booster box opening. Inside we have 36 packs plus a box topper, which is always exciting. You never know what you're going to get there. Let's see what we can get today. There we go. I'll be splitting these up into two videos. The second video will be a Ikoria box topper finisher. And this one we'll start with the first 18 packs. So make sure we get these all split up correctly. Should be, see here. There we go. Fantastic. Let's get into these packs. All right, so we're still looking for Fiend Artisan. And he is about $20. And there's some of the borderless cards, showcase, whatever, foils are crazy valuable. So let's see what we can get into here. And to start us off, we have Labyrinth Raptor. Heartless Act, that's a good card. It's quite a bit under $1 though at this point, so there's not much value in slots other than the rare and mythic. Couple bucks here and there, I should say. All right. Wow, very cool. Narset. Full art mythic. Fantastic. And that's in that art variant too, so beautiful. One colorless plus blue, red, and white for a legendary planeswalker. +1 is you gain 2 life, add blue, red, or white. Spend this mana only to cast non-creature spells. And then -2, draw a card. Then you may discard a card. When you discard a non-land card, Narset of the Ancient Way deals damage equal to the card's converted mana cost to the creature or planeswalker. Wow, very cool. You get an emblem for its -6. You get an emblem that says whenever you cast a non-creature spell, the emblem deals 2 damage to any target. Very nice. We're getting mythic right off the bat here. I try to go through these pretty quickly. All the good stuff's in the front. Oh. Got a foil here, Go for Blood. And Obosh, the Prey Piercer. All right, very cool. Is anybody else opening up any Magic packs of Ikoria? Anybody doing collector boosters? A lot of fun in there. Expensive, but an Unpredictable Cyclone. Cyclone card. I'm not even sure if people are using that in their Cyclone decks that are like in meta or whatever, but I don't know. Doesn't seem like a very powerful card. Quite expensive. Mana cost wise. Sea Dasher Octopus. Let's get a Fiend Artisan. That would be ideal. Foil, showcase. Borderless, rather. And back for more foil. Followed by Genesis Ultimatum. Just getting straight to the good stuff here, folks. Everquill Phoenix. All right. We have some more boxes coming. Let's see what we're getting here. Karuga, the macro sage of Modern Horizons. Got a box of that coming here, and I also have some more Battle Bond as well. So we'll be opening that up here shortly. All right, let's get another mythic. We need to get a good hit here. We've slowed down quite a bit. Mythic. There you go. Keenan. Bonder Prodigy. Love this card. Fantastic. Can't beat that. All right. We'll keep momentum here. Here, we can read it. It's a legendary creature. Whenever human druid. Whenever you tap a non-land permanent for mana, add 1 mana of any type that permanent can produce. So it's doubling up your mana dorks and artifacts and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, fantastic card. 5 colorless, 1 blue, 1 green. Look at the top 5 cards of your library. You may put a non-land creature card from among them onto the battlefield. Put the rest in the bottom of your library in any order. Gotta love it. What do we get next here? We haven't hit a Triome yet. Oh, that's our foil rare. Mythos of Brokos. Not a very good one. Followed by another Mythos of Nethrioe. So, there you go. So that's going to be our foil rare, one of them. These boxes actually have been seeming to produce more than 1 foil rare per box. So hopefully this pack will make up for the last. We got a foil common, Day Squad Marshal, and a Skycat Sovereign. All right. We're opening this pack on the next video. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have that up there. I feel like that's it's too tempting. What are we getting here? Hunted Nightmare. 1 colorless, 2 black for a menace. When Hunted Nightmare enters the battlefield, target opponent puts a death touch counter on a creature they control. Very nice. There's a little full art action going on there. Showcase Dreamtail Heron. Wonderful. Human Soldier token. We're going to get a mythic? No. Oh, Zerta. Zerta Dawn Waker. Legendary creature. For 1 colorless, 2 Boros hybrid. For an elemental fox companion. With each permanent card in your starting deck has an activated ability. That's very specific. Abilities you activate that aren't mana abilities cost 2 less to activate, but very powerful. So something you can definitely build around. This effect can't reduce mana in the cost. It would cost less than 1, and then pay 1 colorless to tap it to target creature can't block this turn. Okay. We need to get something spicy pretty quick here. Fiend Artisan would be the way to go. I guess we did get Keenan. But we need to get something like Showcase or, worth the marbles. Eerie Ultimatum. And we still have not gotten any of the Triomes, which I love. I think they're going to do good long term for sure. So Slither Wisp. Blue and 2 black for a creature elemental nightmare with flash. Whenever you cast another spell that has flash, you draw a card and each opponent loses 1 life. Flash deck right there, mandatory. I think the card flash was banned recently, so I don't know how well it's going to do in Commander. But all right, let's get some spicy here, please. Umori, the Collector, 2 colorless and 2 Golgari. Legendary creature Ooze, companion. Each non-land card in your starting deck shares a card type. As long as, or as Umori enters the battlefield, choose a card type. Spells you cast of the chosen type cost 1 less to cast. All right. We need another solid mythic. Crystalline Giant, not the hit we're looking for. This is not the droid you're looking for. Last pack. Can we get the magic? I think we can. I think we're due for it. Slow roll this one here. Rare. Oh, we got a Triome. One of the better ones. Zagoth Triome. Very cool. Well, not the best start, but that's okay. You've got the other half of the box coming up, plus the box topper. Thank you very much for joining us, and I'm looking forward to seeing you for the next part of this box here. We'll see what that box topper brings us.